Hi guys, Mr. Hensley here. I'm going to give you a little video on what to do and what not to do during class, just to help you guys out. First thing, camera position. Um, and I have a little friend who's going to help me out. This is Ralph. What's up, Ralph? Hey, how's it going? Okay, Ralph is going to help me out with this. So this is going to show you the proper camera position. So now I'll start off with what not to do. This is Ralph. This is Ralph's position. That's Ralph. Okay. That's what not to do. This is what to do. Clear. Okay. Second one. Um, Food during class. Okay. Ralph learned how to position himself now. So here's Ralph. Ralph. And Ralph's gonna be and me. Thirsty. Drink. Okay. No problem. Next. Talking during instruction. Okay, class, so what are you guys doing? Hey, everybody, how's it going? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, look at me in the camera. Look at me in the camera. Oh, hey, what's going on? And my version. There you go. That's the difference. All right. Now, next thing is coming into class and asking what we're doing. Hey, Mr. Hensley, what are we doing in class today? I have no clue. Mr. Hensley's version is checking the OneNote. And workouts. Let's see what Ralph says. Hey. Hey, Ralph, what'd you do for a workout? I did push-ups and sit-ups. You did push-ups and sit-ups for 30 minutes, Ralph? Uh-huh. Yeah, 30 minutes of push-ups and sit-ups. Okay, show me, Ralph. Okay, I did like 3 minutes of push-ups and sit-ups. Uh-huh. So yeah, that's not a 30-minute workout, is it, Ralph? Yeah, no. Hmm. And Mr. Hensley's version of a workout. Yeah, I played a soccer game in which I ran 6 miles over the course of an hour and 15 minutes. Difference? See it? Little? Okay, that's Mr. Hensley's what to and what not to do. Thank you.